Wow, it's been a while. Let's do some soft glam. Taking a warm brown, like medium to light shade. We're gonna place that in our crease as our transition shade and then buff a little bit on the lower lash line to help soften that. I'm gonna take a medium brown and then a dark brown. So the medium brown is gonna go into your crease to help deepen, darken, accentuate it. Then we're going to go in with the darkest color we're using today, which is just a dark neutral brown. We're putting it on the outer corner. Feel free to blend that kind of into the mid-lid. We're going to be putting a shimmer kind of on top of it, and I think it's kind of nice when the two colors meet up and overlap, kind of like a nice smooth little riverbank when the water meets up with the sand. Now we gotta spice it up. Nobody likes a boring eye. I'm taking these Danessa Myricks Color Fix. They are a cream color. We're using ballerina and titanium. You guys, oh my gosh, they can be used on the lips, the face, the eyes, lower lash line, and they come in matte shades, shimmer shades. Look how pretty these are. It's like metallic in a tube. So I'm just putting ballerina in the inner corner and then taking titanium, layering it on top but not going to the outer corner, if that makes sense. Keeping it focused on the middle and the inner part of the lid. I mean, doesn't that make you want to eat it? Look how pretty that is. So you guys, when I had made this video, I had just discovered these Cozzette shadows. This is in platinum. It's going to go on the inner corner. And I had just discovered the Danessa Myricks Cream Color Fixes. Life-changing. Like, if you love a little bit of shimmer but you don't want to deal with any glitter fallout or anything, these are for you. I mean, look at that. It's perfect for bridal. So after I put that in the inner corner, then I'm going to go in the middle of my lid with the color Bliss. It's more of a gold tone. Just kind of top and set those cream colors. Not that they need setting, but you know, I'm a little extra. We got to add a little extra in our life. I can't have you guys leaving the house with anything unblended. So we're going to soften that line between the dark matte eyeshadow and then the shimmer shadows. Just a little goes a long way. Pop a little on the inner corner to kind of brighten your life, whatever your favorite inner color is. I just went in with the lightest gold from the Lorac Golden Zip palette. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. Whatever you do on bottom, you gotta do on top. So take that medium brown shade, sweep it across your lid, then take the dark shade, darken up that outer corner, and then take a little pop of shimmer and just kind of brighten up that inner corner even more. Then we're gonna smell our eyeliner just to make sure it hasn't gone bad. And this hasn't, but this Too Faced 24-hour cream, like, eyeliner stick, they don't make it anymore, but it's so good in that waterline. Like, I found it on Amazon. It's probably a super sketch, but I mean, desperation. So what I like to do is really pile it up in the waterline so that it almost like falls down your lower lashes and just smudge it out on the bottom to help darken it even more. Then I'm going in with the NYX gel liner, creating that sassy little wing that I know y'all love. And for the love of Pete, if you guys are doing an eyeliner on top and bottom, please connect your damn eyelids together. It's not that hard. And it's been so long since I did a tutorial. This is my favorite mascara, the Balm Mad Lash. Holy moly. That's it, guys. That's it. And actually, this is the eyeshadow I did for my wedding, so you can see what kind of mood I was for my wedding. If you want to see my wedding pictures, go to my Instagram at Erin Kelly Makeup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, catch you guys on the flip side, and don't forget to be nice to people because it's not that hard. Bye!